Well, guys, if you remember maybe 3 weeks to a month back, I told you my AC broke because I punched the line in the high pressure side of the, or I punched a hole in the high pressure side of the line. Well, here it is. You can kind of see the kink right there. And it's because, you know, when my intake sits right here, when I close the hood touches the intake and pushes it down. So I think just over the past 3 or whatever years, it's just been rubbing, and it finally punched a hole. Which I guess from seeing other people and doing some research, is actually pretty common with aftermarket intakes, I guess. Maybe because of some aftermarket intakes are just a little tad bigger than stock. It's enough to eventually, you know, rub the line and puncture a hole. So I've talked to quite a few people that had to replace these. So I just cleaned this with alcohol, and I'm going to JB Weld this, you know, closed or whatever. We're gonna see if it works. I did some research on it. It has worked for people, so I'm gonna do it. And after the JB Weld sets, then I'm gonna kind of lift this up and I'm gonna wrap the whole area a few times in duct tape, just to give it a little more padding, I guess, against, you know, the body and then against the intake. So yeah, I'm just gonna slab a bunch of JB Weld over this right now. This stuff kind of smells like fish or something. It's kind of weird. This is my first time ever using it. I don't know why it smells like fish. Maybe because I'm over the trash can right now. But we haven't eaten fish, so wait. Yep, it does. Kind of smells like fish. It's weird. So basically you mix it until it looks a little gray, like that. And then we're gonna go slab it on there. I'll set you guys right there. I'm just gonna slab this on there. So I just did a huge glob of it, and I kind of stretched it out, you know, a little more past where the hole is. Yeah, and I guess we gotta let that sit for 4 to 6 hours, and then maybe I'll do one more. I might do one more pass after about probably 4 hours. So yeah, I guess we'll see how this goes. All right, it's the next day. It's been close to the 15 hours, I think, and it's all hardened up. Feeling pretty solid. Now it's time to, I'll probably unclip it from here, and then I'm gonna wrap this area in duct tape. Do a couple layers of it around that just to give it some extra cushion from being pushed down, you know, from the intake and then onto the body. And then hopefully, I think with JB Weld and then a couple passes of duct tape, she'll hold. Hopefully no more Freon will leak from it. And then yeah, I'm gonna connect all this back together. I bought some Freon and we'll fill her up, see what happens. Look at that. Woo! Man, that looks stock. We looking good, boys. We looking good. All wrapped in duct tape, all ready to go. Gonna stick the intake back on, and then, like I said, we'll fill this bitch up with some Freon. See if she won't leak.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell that means. So we're just gonna, is it holding? We're just gonna put it in and see what the hell happens. You gotta kind of shake it while you're doing it. I don't feel it leaking anywhere. Thing is, this isn't, well, needle's not going up, and I mean, even I know it's probably empty, but even it should go up a little bit after one can. Should we try the other one that had the?
Well, that was a bust. That didn't work. For some reason, it just wasn't filling up like it was last time. I mean, that's how we found the leak last time, was we were filling it and it was blowing out there. But this time, it just wasn't filling up. We have no idea why. So we tried two different things on it, and both of them just wasn't working. So, yeah, not sure. Probably it's the end of July. I'm probably just gonna keep rolling with no AC, probably until next summer. So, yeah, I don't know why it didn't work. It just didn't fill. So yeah, but hope you guys liked that video anyways, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.